Hello kids. Get ready to learn spellings and subtraction. Learning how to spell correctly helps to develop literacy skills in children by allowing them to use words correctly and express themselves in writing. By being able to spell words correctly, children are able to understand the meanings of words better and can also write more accurately.
Let's say it again. Cat. Let's say it again. Good job. Let's say it again. Let's say it again.
Subtraction means taking things away from a group. We can subtract the integers using the number line. Add a positive integer by moving to the right on number line, or when we take away a given number of objects from a given collection of objects is subtraction.
5 minus 4 equals. Good job. 1. 5 minus 4 equals 1. Minus 1 equals. Well done. 3. 4 minus 1 equals 3. Good job. 3 minus 2 equals. Good job. 1. 3 minus 2 equals 1. Minus 2 equals. Well done. 4 minus 2 equals 2.
Thanks for watching.